How to select English language on Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily select the English language on Duolingo. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Duolingo app, make sure that it's installed on your device, and then open it up. Now, once you open up the app, if you are doing a lesson on any other languages and want to continue on English, then that is no problem as well because you can do multiple lessons at the same time on Duolingo. Just tap on the top left corner on the flag, and then here you can select the course or the language. So just tap on this add course button and select what you'd like to learn. You can also learn music and math, but if you want to learn English, you can tap on intermediate English. You can explore for more options by tapping on more, and here it is for Arabic speakers. It will exclusively teach other languages in Arabic so that it's easier for Arabic people to understand. Here's one for Bengali, Chinese, German, Czech speakers, and many more. So all you have to do is select English and then you should be good to go. And just tap on English. So I'm just going to tap it from here, intermediate English, tap on continue, and your new course will begin. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.